All right, so here's how we throw lines at Sailing Virgins. If you know this tip, you'll be able to throw the line properly every time.
Sailing Virgins, yeah. In today's episode, we learn the perfect line throwing technique to ensure you'll never fall short. Then we sail alongside the crew of SV Carpe Diem as they navigate the breathtaking waters between Bitter End and Cane Garden.
So firstly, you make big loops. So I'm going to make big loops. With the last few meters, couple of meters, we're going to make little basketball sized loops. Now, when I throw this, it's going to go exactly where I want to go. Now, Katarina is going to throw it at the dock and she's going to smash it.
Let's go.
The little loop is going to be in your throwing hand. Yep, and that's right. Okay, so that's good. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So we've coiled it. Now what Kat's going to do is she's going to throw it past him. Okay, she's not going to aim for him, she's going to aim past him.
Yeah, like start like over the railing? Or?
The large one could be over. The small one you're just going to go like, this. Yeah, that's it. Go for it.
Quick look.
Woohoo!
Nice.
All right.
Let's venture over to SV Carpe Diem, where Captain Chris and co-instructor Finn are guiding an adventurous group through the stunning waters around Bitter End and Cane Garden.
Something about a little like rock and roll while cooking bacon.
Forwards a little bit, you go on full speed. Other side. There we go. Good. Feeling okay?
No.
Everyone ready?
Well, you look great.
And now back into neutral. You're doing so good. A little more further on this one. Both. You've got enough speed to get in.
Nice.
There we go. This side, a little reverse. Reverse that time. There you go. All right. Stressful, right?
Yeah,
But great job.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yes.
And take a breath.
Yeah.
First time.
First time.
So we just docked up a Bitter End. The amazing sailor Sam got us in here. No kisses at the dock, no nothing. In like a glove. We're now here, gonna have a few bevies. Get some scran in a bit. Jobs are good.
That was sick.
Grab that. Yeah, and pull it through. Yeah, it like turns on itself, so you can go like that. Yeah, you can't forget the flip.
Hey gang, we just left Bitter End Yacht Club for the day. Clara's going to be our skipper. She's taking us out right now, and then we're going to end up in Cane Garden Bay tonight after plenty of docking practice.
Yep.
was super stressed out with work. I kind of wanted to sail 5 in the morning. I found it on Google and I just booked it without thinking twice. And again, this is my 5th one, so I guess it worked out.
Hey gang, another week flies by, somehow it's Friday, and that only means one thing. We've hit up Soggy Dollar again for another epic session today. Soggy Dollar is another one of those epic spots that you've got to hit up during the week when you're heading around the BVIs. Gets a little bit spicy on the entrance though.
I'm sorry.
He was on such a roll.
Soggy Dollar, of course, famous for many things. One of them being the fact that they only let you pay with Soggy Dollars. Otherwise, you haven't swum in and you've taken the cheap way in on the dinghy. No one wants that. Swim in and do it right. That said, it gets a little bit spicy on entrance. There are massive rocks, lots of reef. There are designated markers, channel markers for you to get in. I would stick to those unless you want to cause some damage, which nobody wants. So stick to the markers, play it safe, set a good anchor or tie onto one of the few mooring balls. And then if you've got the guts, then swim in. Otherwise, take the dinghy, get in there, enjoy the famous painkiller. They make them quite weak, so be sure to always carry 2. You normally want to straight arm one and then drink the other one as quick as you can. Otherwise, they're kind of pointless. We look forward to seeing you there.